बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरी उन तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू।
Paragraph number 25. Karachi colon last week, Facebook appointed 20 people from around the world to serve on what will effectively be the social media networks Supreme Court for speech, issuing rulings on what kind of posts will be allowed and what should be taken down, full stop. The list features a former Prime Minister, a Nobel Peace Prize laureate, and several constitutional law experts and rights advocates, including the Pakistani lawyer and founder of Digital Rights Foundation, Nigat Dad, full stop. The creation of an oversight board by a social media company is not only a first for internet regulation, but also for Pakistan as the country is now on the global tech map with Miss Dad's inclusion, full stop. While it has set a new model for accountability on content management, to what extent will it shape the company's policies, question mark. New paragraph, selection of cases, colon. The board will give users a chance to appeal against any wrongful removal of their content on Facebook and Instagram, full stop. Although, the board will only review a fraction of those appeals, as a user must first exhaust Facebook's appeals before they can involve the board, full stop. According to the board's leadership, the panel will focus on the most challenging content issues for Facebook, including in areas such as hate speech, harassment, and protecting people's safety and privacy, full stop. Besides user appeals, it will also be able to hear cases that have been referred by Facebook, full stop. Facebook will directly refer cases to the board that are significant and difficult, full stop. New paragraph, significant, as defined in the bylaws, means that the content in question involves real world impact and issues that are important for public discourse, full stop. Difficult means the content raises questions about current policies or their enforcement, with strong arguments on both sides for either removing or leaving up the content under review, full stop. The board has sole discretion to accept or reject cases that are referred through this process, full stop. Facebook has long faced criticism for high-profile content moderation issues, including removal of pro-Kashmir posts, hate speech in Myanmar against the Rohingya and other Muslims, full stop. Recently, the company included guidelines on pandemic content to its list of community standards, full stop. However, with the platform now relying largely on automated moderation, anti-vaccine activists and conspiracy theorists have already become adept at gaming the platform's rules. Full stop. New paragraph. Unless its policies and moderation improve, the board is less likely to bring about major change, as the final decision will be in accordance with Facebook's community standards. Full stop. Another challenge limiting its efforts is the global scale at which it operates. Full stop. Facebook said the board members chosen collectively have lived in more than 27 countries and speak at least 29 languages. Full stop. Globally, there are 2.5 billion people using the platform in more than 100 languages. Full stop. Regulation in Pakistan. It is important to mention that not all content can be submitted to the board for its review. Full stop. New paragraph. The board's decisions will be binding unless implementation could violate the law, Facebook said. Full stop. This is the sole reason why the board's addition is less likely to change much for internet regulation in countries with repressive cyber laws, such as Pakistan. Full stop. During the first half of 2019, Pakistan reported the highest volume of content to Facebook. Full stop. In its transparency report, Facebook said it restricted 5690 items within Pakistan. Full stop. None of the 5690 items from the Facebook's transparency report were removed for violating its content policies, but under Pakistan's cybercrime law. Full stop. The government has also introduced the Online Citizens Protection Against Online Harm Rules, 2020. Full stop. New paragraph. Under the new rules, social media platforms will be required to remove any unlawful content pointed out to them in writing or electronically signed email within 24 hours, and in emergency cases within 6 hours. Full stop. With the online harm rules in effect, if for instance, the authority now specifies 2000 items to Facebook for removal, the platform will be required to fully comply with it. Full stop. Ultimately, Facebook has to respect local law in every country it operates in, so governments are free to introduce laws, and Facebook, and the board, would have to follow those laws, a spokesperson for the overview board told Don. Full stop. New paragraph. Account suspensions not included initially, the board will only review individual pieces of content, such as specific posts, photos, videos, and comments on Facebook and Instagram. Full stop. The scope will expand in the future to include other kinds of content, for example, content that has been left up, as well as pages, profiles, groups, or events, full stop. Last year, Facebook removed 103 pages, groups and accounts on both Facebook and Instagram as part of a network that originated in Pakistan, full stop. In a blog spot on the takedown, Facebook said it had found that the network was linked to employees of Pakistani military, full stop. The spokesperson said the accounts and pages removed over coordinated inauthentic behavior on Facebook will not be reviewed by the panel for now, as Facebook already partnered with independent people to review and document its CIB enforcement actions, and the results were an outcome of weeks or months of investigations by its teams, full stop. New paragraph. Thus, role according to the board, members do not represent individual countries when making decisions, full stop. Each case identified by the board's case selection committee will be assigned to a 5-member panel, 4 picked randomly from the board at large and 1 from among those board members who are from the region which the content primarily affects. A 5-member panel will deliberate over a case of content implicating Pakistan would include at least 1 board member from Central and South Asia, though this may not necessarily be Nigat Dad, a board spokesperson told Dan, full stop. New paragraph. As part of vetting, new board members, including Ms. Dad, are required to disclose any potential conflicts of interest, the board added a full stop. Regarding Ms. Dad's advocacy in Pakistan, the spokesperson said the DRF founder will no longer be advocating with Facebook directly to take specific policy positions and will also not have an avenue for escalating content to the company as a digital rights activist, it said, full stop. That said, others at Digital Rights Foundation, will remain engaged with Facebook completely separate from Nigat and her work on the oversight board, the OB representative added, full stop.